The lead dolphin beats its tail on the seabed, stirring up a ring of mud. Trapped inside, the fish take their only way out. But they're leaping out of the frying pan and into the fire. Once the mud ring loses its shape, the fish scatter. The dolphins move on and repeat the process. Brain power combined with teamwork, it's a winning formula. This behavior is unique to the dolphins of Florida Bay. Successive generations have learnt it from their parents, and in turn they will teach it to their own young. The ability to pass on such complex behaviours is one of the mammal's greatest talents. It enables them to survive where others would perish. As winter approaches in Alaska, food gets progressively harder to find. To live here is to walk a tightrope. Yet every year this coast attracts North America's most impressive hunter.